After mortising our pieces, they are looking pretty good. However, if we look down the mortise hole location, we can see fragments of wood and other splinters that might get in the way when we attach our connecting pieces. Clamping our workpiece in the vise and using a sharp chisel, we can clean up the mortise hole location. We can also clean the bottom of the hole. And I also like to come back with a little bit of sandpaper and sand down the side walls of the mortise hole location, as well as the edges. And with those all cleaned up, all 4 of our legs are complete.